Thank you, Pat. Thank the Breakfast Club, Chris Stegall, and all of our volunteers out there helping us on the phone line. Please, won't you call?
I think Kate might ring Ross's bell.
I know.
She's trying to say I'm front heavy or something because I don't know what he's talking
We'll go out
about.
there
That
right
hat
now.
looks just great where it is right now.
I think so too. I think so
Exactly.
too. Although we may be wanting a hat by the weekend to keep our little ears warm. It's
got
going to get
that
a little
right.
bit colder as we head toward the weekend. Let's take a quick look at how things are shaping up outside. No problems outside tonight, but tomorrow night, completely the opposite. Here's a live look, live Mega Doppler 3 focusing in on the Keystone State, Jersey, and Delaware. No problems at the moment as we zoom out. Nothing going on across the Northeast either. But you can see a pretty nasty snowstorm winding up across portions of the Central Plains. This is going to dump a lot of snow. Some folks really getting the white Christmas that maybe they asked for across portions of Nebraska into Iowa, Minnesota, and eventually Wisconsin, where some spots will end up with over a foot of snow. Unfortunately, even though this storm, I should say, will impact us, we are not going to get the snowy side of it. Instead, we will get the rain. And you know what? At this time of the year, I'd almost prefer snow to rain. Rain is just a little depressing. Snow, at least, makes it look beautiful outside, but not a whole lot in our future, at least for the next week or so. Right now, it's 46 at the airport, 45 in Reading, 36 in Mount Pocono, and it's 49 degrees in Dover. And as we head through the next couple of hours, the next couple of days, really, here's a look at our timeline. This is for tomorrow. So tomorrow, most of the day looks fine, but between 8 o'clock and 11 o'clock tomorrow night, showers will be arriving with that storm I just showed you that's now across the plains. The heaviest of the rain is tomorrow night, 11 p.m. This is not tonight, tomorrow night, 11 o'clock until 9 o'clock Friday morning. Periods of rain heavy at times. After 9 o'clock on Friday, the rain will come to an end. It will be very windy. Wind will continue into the weekend. Friday afternoon, again, blustery. There could be some flurries or a stray snow shower as that colder air moves in. But again, not enough cold air coming in when the rain is falling to actually produce any snow. We're just missing the connections. We're getting the moisture and then we're getting the cold, but we're not getting them at the same time. And that means this storm is going to be a rainmaker for us. Expected rain amounts right through the day tomorrow. Notice until 9 o'clock, really nothing. That's when the rain starts to push in. It starts to come down heavily through the overnight hours into Friday morning. And by Friday, we'll end up with about an inch in many locations, ½ inch to an inch with some locally higher amounts as you head up toward the mountains. Rainfall will be enhanced in the higher elevations. I don't think anyone really gets much more than 2 inches or so. And most of it comes through when we're asleep between 11 o'clock Thursday night again and 9 o'clock Friday morning. So it's a wet commute Friday morning, but then we usher in some more December-like weather as we head through the weekend and into the start of next week and toward the Christmas holiday. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy, seasonably chilly. It's a quiet night, 31 to 34 degrees. For tomorrow, sunshine early. Then after about noon, the clouds roll in. Then the rain comes in at night. By 10 or 11 o'clock, rain will be pretty steady. 45 to 49 tomorrow, a little bit cooler than today. Each day getting slightly cooler. But you know what? This is still above average by about 5 degrees for this time of the year. Now, we do start winter officially on Friday, and you know it's going to start to feel like it. We're going to have that cold wind start to rush in from the north and west. 6:12 a.m. is actually the start of winter, and that's when that rain will be moving on through. Shortest daylight of the year, 9 hours and 20 minutes. But then, of course, we keep going up from there. So it's a quiet weekend, a quiet Christmas Eve, maybe some flurries Christmas Eve into Christmas morning. We'll hold out hope for that. Next storm could impact us with another round of rain by next Wednesday. Stay there. Eyewitness News will be right back.